everybody, it's Jeremy with Echo Orange. So we've been getting a lot of questions lately about our product, and we'd like to answer those questions for you today. So let's go ahead and get started. Is Echo Orange safe to use in carpet cleaning or floor scrubbing type machines? Yes, Echo Orange is absolutely safe in carpet cleaning machines. Just make sure that you dilute with water and clean and rinse out the reservoir when you're done with the job. Never let any cleaning product, whether it's Echo Orange or any other solution, sit in your machines for long periods of time because it can actually damage the gaskets and rubber material that's inside of those. So you just want to make sure that you get those rinsed out really well. Alright, I hope that answers your question. Please subscribe below. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@echoorange.com. Check us out at www.echoorange.com, and happy cleaning!